Latin School was a fun project. We were updating the learning commons that comprised of the cafeteria, library, and a few study rooms, but the most challenging aspect was adding a bridge connecting the middle and upper schools. The bridge would create direct access to the learning commons on the 4th floor of the upper school, and it was a bit of a geometrical task. First off, the logistics of building the bridge was interesting with the tight alley between the two schools. They were also built at very different times. The middle school was constructed in 2007 and was prepped for this bridge to connect to it. But the upper school was built in the late 60s, and there was a lot of investigating we needed to do about the structure. The bridge itself was unique in that it had a 4-degree incline and a 2-foot 6-inch height difference between the two openings. The bridge also didn't run straight but was angled at 18 degrees. It came together nicely, and Latin School was incredibly happy with how it turned out. Giving students direct access to the upper learning commons was a huge plus.